Hi there, I'm Nathan from Skoda in Aldershot, and today I'll be doing a quick demonstration of SmartLink. SmartLink is an incredible feature which allows you to mimic the operating system of your phone onto your infotainment system. SmartLink can be connected via USB, or on the Scala and Comic models it can be connected by Bluetooth. The system can be used much like your phone. You can use it to access your contacts or call someone through the keypad. You can use different music apps such as Spotify or Apple Music in this case. You can also access different maps. You can set up any events for the day on your phone. You can also change the settings on the system itself, or you can go back to the Skoda infotainment system and disconnect CarPlay. And as I mentioned earlier, you can use third-party apps such as Google Maps and Spotify. And on this view you can see 3 different sections that are available for any phone with iOS 13, showing maps, music and any points of interest. SmartLink is available on most of our range as standard, so if you have any questions please call 01252 311 818. Thank you for watching.